Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use dry mint leaves, full guide. Start by crushing a small pinch between your fingers to release essential oils. Use dry mint in teas, vinaigrettes, and yogurt sauces for bright, cooling flavor. Learn simple ratios, storage tips, and quick rehydration methods to get consistent results. I'll share practical swaps for fresh mint and show how to boost potency without wasting herbs. Crush dry mint into a fine powder to blend evenly in batters and doughs, and sprinkle it into savory bakes for subtle aroma. Remember to reduce quantities when substituting for fresh mint, since dry is more concentrated. Reserve a little for garnish after cooking so color and fragrance remain bright. I'll explain blending ratios, timing for adding herbs, and how to prevent bitter, oversteeped mint flavors in delicate desserts and sauces. When drying mint at home, use low heat or air dry to preserve oils and color, and crush leaves just before use to maximize aroma. Store jars with oxygen absorbers or small desiccant packets for longer shelf life, and avoid storing above the stove. I'll guide you through simple tests to tell if mint lost potency and share quick fixes to revive mild herbs for cooking and infusions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.